So I have this all marked out and I'm ready to cut it. And I don't have a oxy fuel torch or anything, so I'm just going to be using a grinder with the cutting wheel and cut it out. So that took me probably, I don't know, 2-3 minutes, and I got it cut out nice and square. And I couldn't find the perfect metal. There goes that. But I'm gonna butt weld 2 of these together to fill my hole. So should be good, should work. Looking good. I know I am. Alright, so today I welded up my hole, and what I used to weld it, or to cover it with, this is some 10 gauge steel, and I measured this, and the floor pans are only 19 gauge, so kinda took some effort to weld it, but turned out really good. And before I welded, I had to make a bend here and there and more here to match the floor, the bends of the floor. So took some work, but I got it done and it looks a lot better. Don't have rust holes there anymore, and I'm kind of proud of the welds. They turned out pretty good. So it's pretty exciting. Got that all worked out, and hopefully soon I can be painting the interior. I still need to patch up like that hole and a couple holes right here, but that's it. I don't have any more rust holes to worry about. The welder I'm using is the Vulcan Omni Pro 220, and my gas I'm using is just the mixture of 75% argon, 25% CO2, and it worked amazingly well for what I'm doing. And I should be ready to move on. Alright, so that's the end of this video, and I should be working on painting it soon and getting that all done so I can start on my wiring harness. And I'd just like to apologize. I'm kind of new to all of this, so videoing skills, I have none, and I don't have any editing skills. So sorry if the videos aren't that great, but they will get better as time goes on. Alright, that's the end of this video. Hope I see you on the next one.